Joe Beermaster here. We got the elusive 2015 Cadillac SRX, and I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out. It's got the face of a shark, the eyes of a snake, and it runs like a leopard. Now I'm going to show you how to take this tail light out like you've never seen before. I've never seen one like this. The first thing you got to do, there's a trick to this, is open the hatch. As it opens, springs open like a jackal. You're going to notice there's no screws in here. So what we're going to do, this is very unusual for any kind of vehicle I've ever seen. We're going to take this black panel off by just grabbing it from the top, and it unclips. Now here comes the most amazing part. As you look on there, you don't see any screws or nuts holding it in, so I couldn't really figure this one at first, so I took a shot in the dark and I gave it a little shake, and here's the trick to this light. There's nothing holding it in. There's not even one screw. So what you gotta do is hold it with two hands and kind of hit it off to the side like that as you're holding it with another hand. I'm trying to film this with one hand, and there it is. The tail light comes out, not one screw, not one bolt. It's really amazing here. And there you go, you got a plug there and a little light here, so if you need to change a bulb, you change the bulb by pulling it out, untwisting it. We're going to twist it back in. And the rest of the light is LED, so if they're not working, it could be a fuse, or you'll have to replace the entire assembly. Can you imagine that? A tail light, you don't even have to take a screw or a nut out to get the light out. This has been unseen in any continent of the world. Now we'll leave the Cadillac SRX alone in its captured environment to rest for the rest of the night. Joe Beermaster signing off. For another episode, tune in and give me a thumbs up and subscribe.
Crikey.